Dongguan Yanyan Heat Transfer Technology Company Limited was established in 2011, is a professional production of heat transfer materials, development sales as one company. The company is located in the manufacturing capital of the world, Dongguan City. Our main products are heat transfer vinyl, PVC heat transfer vinyl, PU heat transfer vinyl, puff heat transfer vinyl, glitter HTV, metal lettering film, glow in the dark and reflective HTV, etc. Heat transfer labels, heat transfer washing label, 3D silicone label, flocking hot label, 3D three-dimensional magic color label, etc. Hot melt adhesive, PO, PU, TPU materials, PET release film material, heat transfer patch accessories, embroidery badges, etc. and other related heat transfer material. Our heat transfer materials are widely used in clothes, shoes, hats, underwear, bags, toys, travel goods, gift bags, and other products that need heat transfer. At the same time, in the increasing pursuit of textile safety, we will strictly screen our raw material suppliers using environmentally friendly, non-toxic, and harmless materials to ensure that the finished products meet export standards. Based on a win-win situation of integrity, we believe that our service quality and price can provide our customers with the best experience. We look forward to working with all countries in the world to jointly create a better future. Our mission: let the transfer print simpler and faster. Value teamwork, embrace change, be full with passion.